Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA G10. Today I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. So let's open settings firstly, tap on display and tap on advanced. Now we've got full list of our display settings. At the beginning we've got brightness level, then dark theme, next night light, adaptive brightness, white balance, we can also change wallpaper, set sleep between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. Also, we can turn on auto rotate screen or turn it off. We can choose colors, font size, display size, screensaver, and we can customize our lock screen display. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.